Go.
Hey guys, this is Jack from Coach E's A7 period chemistry class. Today I'm going to be going over a problem. It asks the percent composition of the compound manganese 3 acetate. So first off, you have to write it down, which is Mn3, then acetate is a polyatomic, and that is C2H3O2. So you put C2H3O2. So first, for each element, you have to find the molar mass of it. And Mn, its atomic mass is 54.938. So 54.938 times 3, because that's the number that goes behind manganese is a 3, so you multiply its atomic mass by 3. So when you multiply its atomic mass by 3, you get 164.814. Yeah, you get 164.814. So that equals 164.814. Next, we'll do carbon. And you have to multiply, I believe it's 12.011. So 12.011, multiply that by 2. And when you multiply 12.011 by 2, you get 24.022. Next, you do hydrogen, which equals 1.008, and you multiply that by 3. And that should give you 3.024. Lastly, you do oxygen, which equals 15.999, and you multiply that times 2. That gives you 31.998. So you write 31.998. Once you get those numbers, you add all of them up, and this gives you the denominator of when you're finding the percent composition. So once you add all these up, you should get you should get 223.858, and that's going to be the denominator whenever you find the percent composition. So first we'll do manganese, which you put 164.814 over the denominator, which is 223.858. When you divide that, you get this number right here. When you get that number, you multiply it by 100, and that gives you 73.62%. So your first one is manganese, and that equals 73.62%. So that's your first part right there. Now we're gonna do carbon. And carbon's final number was 24.022, and you put that over 223.858, and when you multiply that, 24.022 divided by, you get this number right here, and multiply that by 100 to get the percent. You get 10.73%. So now carbon equals 10.73%. So that's the second part. Now, for hydrogen, you do 3.024 over the same denominator, 223.858, you get this number right here. And you multiply that number by 100 as well. So when you multiply that by 100, you get 1.35%. So hydrogen's percent is 1.35. So for the last one, which is oxygen, you do 31.998 over the same thing, 223.858. And that gives you this right here. When you multiply that by 100, you should get 14.30% after you round it to the nearest. So oxygen equals 14.30%. And just to be sure that you're right, you can always just add up all the percents, and if it adds up to 100, you're right. So let's go ahead and add it up real quick. 73.62 plus 10.73 plus 1.35, then you add 14.30. 100. That's the final percent you get for it. So this work I showed you right here, class, is how you do the percent composition of the compound manganese 3 acetate. Thank you for being with me today. See you later.